Welcome back to the Workshop Handyman. We're working here with Jason today. We've got a little project we're going to look into. He's asked about maybe doing a little bit of a update on a vehicle. We're going to take a little look at it, and he's going to go ahead and tell us all about this thing and what we're going to have for plans. So what we've got, I'm going to let you go ahead and tell us what we've got here.
It's a 1962 Corvair camper edition made by Chevrolet, and the insert is the original insert that Chevrolet offered as an option in 1962. And it's very rare that it was put in a Corvair. Typically it would be put into a Greenbrier. So I like rare, I like different, and that's what we have here. And I'm looking to update and repair the original wood.
Okay, so we'll take a quick walk around, and it's in pretty darn good shape on the outside here. Corvair, let's see if we can look in the front side here. It's going to take a little bit of work, but I think this could turn out to be a pretty good project for us. He's going to take care of that portion of it, and I'm going to be working. Ooh,
Sorry,
give me a slam. It's in really good shape. So I just get a good look at this for a start, to see what kind of a project we're going to end up with. Inside of it comes with an ice box, some shelves. They've got a little bit of water damage and stuff in the bottoms. That's what we're going to try to get rid of. It's got a wash sink over here in the back. Couple little shelves. They have done the top of it in carpet, which looks pretty good. I think we're going to leave that as it sits right now. I believe that's what we were going for.
Yep.
It's got a fold down bed, so we can get extra there. Of course, we can see there's some damage and all, and this is what we're going to have to do, is update this a little bit, get it looking a little bit more like what it ought to. It's had the windows added to it. I like the little table that we've got out here.
Yeah.
That works pretty good. Mm-hmm. And then we've got inside here, we've got some doors and stuff that we'll be redoing the cabinets, trying to get those modified back maybe. Some little doors here. And up underneath it has some drawers, so we're going to try to modify those. They're not really working well. They've kind of fallen apart and just kind of slides in there. I think that's what's holding the bed up. So we're going to try to modify that a little bit. So we'll be taking this project and taking all this out, remanufacture it, and get it back to the original. And I think looks like a pretty good project to make.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready for it.
So hopefully we'll be able to get this project going. We'll try to capture it on episodes as it gets along, and let y'all keep up to date on it. We'll be probably a couple weeks getting materials and stuff together and get this project started first of the year and see what we can do with it. So stay tuned. It could be a fun ride. Yeah. Appreciate you checking in with the Workshop Handyman. See you on the next one.